I have received a lot of comments and doubts regarding the Nalpamaradi Tailam. How to use it, when to wash off, what to wash it off with, whether soap or just with water, what is the best time to use, and all of that. So I thought, let me do a full-fledged tutorial on how to use the Nalpamaradi Tailam on face. I will show you how to use the Nalpamaradi Tailam from step 1 to the last step, so that you will be clear on how to use this wonderful, beautiful oil. If you are interested, then keep on watching. For step 1, we need to cleanse our skin. Before using any product or any mask or oil, it's always better to start off with a clean skin, because products penetrate and give good results on a clean skin. So let's start with the cleansing. So to cleanse my skin, I'm using the Jovees Ayurveda cinnamon and neem face bar. So this soap bar is what I'm using currently. You can use any soap or any face wash that your skin loves. Alright. After a good 30 seconds massage, I'm gonna rinse my face with water and come back. Pat dry your skin and make sure there is no water residue. Now take a bowl like this. Any bowl that you have at home. I'm using this copper bowl because I read somewhere that skincare products work well when used in a copper container like this. In some Ayurveda text I learned that. Yeah, that's what I've read. So if you have copper vessel, then you can use that. But if you don't have one, then any container, any small bowl will do the job. So now let's take the Nalpamaradi Tailam. This Tailam is from Kottakkal. This is the Kottakkal's Ayurveda Nalpamaradi Tailam. Kottakkal is a very known established brand from Kerala. So yeah, I've done a separate video on this. I will leave all the links in the I button above or in the description box. Do check it out. So let's add this to the bowl. This is an oil, so make sure that you take very less amount, not too much. If you have Eladi Tailam, then you can mix this with the Nalpamaradi Tailam. If you don't have Eladi Tailam, then that is perfectly fine to use the Nalpamaradi just by its own. I have it, so let's use the Eladi Tailam. Eladi Tailam is very good for sensitive skin. Few drops of the Eladi Tailam. Now give it a good mix with your fingers. Do not use brush or spatula, nothing fancy. Just use your own fingers. Mix it well and apply it onto your face. So apply this onto your face. It has that yellow hue because of the turmeric present in the Nalpamaradi Tailam. You can absolutely use this under your eyes. I read a comment that asking if we can use this oil under eyes and if it is helpful in dark circles. Absolutely guys, absolutely. I even forgot to apply my under eye serums these days because this Nalpamaradi Tailam mix is enough for me. My dark circles are really reducing. Use it and see it for yourself guys. And also around your mouth where I have pigmentation, these oils are very good for depigmenting your skin. See, I have an active acne right here, but I don't care because I know for sure this oil suits me well and it will not do any harm to my skin. Please do a patch test if you are using these oils for the first time. As far as I know, people in Kerala use these Nalpamaradi Tailams and Eladi Tailam every day at home. Alright, so now the entire face is covered with the oil. Now you can leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. Let this rest on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes since I applied this oil, so it's time to wash this off. So to wash this off, we again need a face wash or a soap bar. You can definitely use your regular face wash to wash this off. For washing, do not apply water directly onto your face and then use a soap. So first what we're going to do is apply the soap directly onto our face without wetting our face. I hope that makes sense. Look at the turmeric yellow hue. This will not stain your face. This will not make your skin look yellow in color. So do not worry about that. So after nicely melting the soap or face wash onto the skin, you can now rinse it off with just plain water. So this is how my face looks after washing the oil. What I feel is that it really makes my skin feel nourished without the application of a moisturizer. I already could feel my skin has been nicely moisturized and hydrated, and I also feel that my skin is not stretchy and as well as it is not oily. So it's rightly balanced. That's what I feel from using the Nalpamaradi Tailam. So for the next step, what you can do is that you can apply a moisturizer if you want to. If I am using this oil in the daytime, I use this Kottakkal's Satadhouta Ghritam on my face, and if I'm using this oil at the night time, then I'll go with the Jovees Saffron Anti-Blemish Pigmentation Cream. Satadhouta Ghritam is nothing but 100 times washed ghee. This is also from the same brand Kottakkal. I love how it works even on my oily skin type. This is my savior for winters, and during summers I use a tiny bit of the product and spread it over my face, and that's it. For like more than 12 hours my skin is well balanced. So today I've used the Jovees Saffron cream because it's night and right after my shoot I'll eat and go to sleep. So let's use this saffron. Guys, I have an oily skin, so I tend to apply a lot less product than most of the other girls use. So yeah, see, sometimes using much makes my skin feel heavier, so I use a little bit, not just with this cream but with any cream, any serum. I tend to use less product. So yeah, my skin is all matte now. If you want a glowy finish, dewy finish, if you want to feel like all shiny, glowy, then you could definitely use this Satadhouta Ghritam. This will make your skin shiny, glowy, dewy and all of that. This one gives a matte finish, the saffron one, as you can see. So I hope you learned how to use this Nalpamaradi Tailam on your face. If you have any more doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely answer them. I will leave all the links in the description box, right from the soap bar to the saffron cream. So do check it out, and yeah guys, until then next time, take care. Bye.